Hello everyone, we are on here. Just a few minutes leave Jalakta, the Aboriginal town, I think so. Just I am driving, but it's tomorrow at boring and alone. And nothing special more than desert, but it's a very strange desert. Trees, green, noise, desert. And I think probably to the rain, maybe 40% right now. What else? We don't have signal, we don't have nothing on here, nothing. Just my phone, my car, my strong mentality, and me. That's it. What else? I am tired for drive. I was driving too much. I have been drove too much. I have been. So tired for that. Just I record this video because I am boring as well, so I can speak in something in my memories. Also, I practice my English as well. Nevertheless, we need entertainment with your I am driving. So let me tell you something. In the back of my youth we have the tent, but today I don't know why it's very lazy for the putting the tent in the back. It's just raining. We need to stop and put in the tent in the back on here in the cabin, because the idea is the tent no wet.